delicious ITC classic Aloo Tikki quickly and conveniently with just a scan in Wi-Fi-enabled LG Scan-to-Cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select classic Aloo Tikki from Scan-to-Cook recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. Keep the Aloo Tikkis on the Multi-Cook Tawa. Scan the QR code on the back of the ITC Classic Aloo Tikki packet. Now press Send button on the LG ThinQ app. Keep the tawa on the high rack inside the microwave oven and press Start. When the microwave oven beeps, take out the tawa and turn the tikkis. Keep the tawa inside the microwave oven and press Start. Your delicious ITC Classic Aloo Tikki made with LG Scan-to-Cook charcoal microwave oven is ready to be relished in no time. Follow these simple steps to operate the LG Scan-to-Cook microwave oven.